One of the best ways to practice Mandarin is shadow. In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to shadow Mandarin using C-drama clips. Welcome to Underwater Mandarin. Have you been trying to learn Mandarin but feel stuck memorizing words? I'm Marina, and I know how frustrating it can be to feel like you're just memorizing words without making progress. But you are not alone. You are not alone. Many learners face the same challenge. Learning a language is more than memorizing vocabulary. It's about using it in real conversations. That's why I've created a method that gets you shadowing Chinese dramas. An immersive, engaging way to improve your Mandarin by speaking right from the start. With my shadowing method, you will be practicing real, everyday Mandarin by repeating lines from actual C-dramas. I've carefully selected C-drama clips that immerse you in natural speech, and each one comes with everything you need: audio, detailed transcripts, and videos featuring pinning Chinese characters and English subtitles. Here is how to use my material to get started. First, watch the clips. Start by watching the C-drama clips a couple of times to get familiar with the context and flow of the dialogue. Second, read the transcripts. Go over the transcript in pinyin, Chinese characters, and English so you know exactly what's being said and how. Third, shadow alone. Play the video again and repeat the lines out loud, trying to match the character's tone, speed, and pronunciation. Do this several times to get comfortable. Fourth, listen and shadow without text. As you get better, try shadowing without looking at the transcript, training your ear and speaking skills to become more natural. This step-by-step method bridges the gap between speaking and listening, immersing you in authentic Mandarin as it is spoken in real life. You will not only understand the language better, but also internalize it, making it second nature. I've spent hours creating these materials to help you succeed, and I'm now giving you for free. So stick around and I'll show you how exactly you can get started with shadowing today. Let's dive into Mandarin the underwater way. This clip is from 爱情公寓, Love Apartment. They call it impartment, so I'm not sure if it makes any sense. But anyways, let's dive in. 你听我说，你听我说，喂，你听我说，喂，你听我说，你听我说 ，just listen to me. Simple, right? 你听我说 Chinese is very simple. 你听我说中文很简单 So listen to me. 你听我说 So wait means hey, like hello. Wait, sometimes we say wait, sometimes we say wait. So when we say wait, it means you are kind of patient. But if you say wait, it means you are in a hurry. The situation is not that good. So we say wait. 孙老师，接电话！孙老师，孙 again, sorry. 孙 is not son, okay? 孙老师 is not teacher's son, okay? It's called 孙 is not son. Please don't call it son, OK? 孙老师 OK? Teacher son, OK? 接电话 Pick up the phone 接电话。
孙老师，接电话！喂。
So this guy said kind of like a way, right? Sometimes we say way, so he's more calm. This guy is called 展博, and by the way, the other guy is called 子乔。
喂，展博，我现在在医院。
我现在在医院。现在 means now. 我现在 I'm now. This 现在 should be put in here. In between. 在医院 at the hospital. 在医院。快 indicates that something is going to happen soon, adding the urgency to the sentence. 被 introduce the passive voice, showing that the person is the one being affected by the action, 截肢 or limb amputation.
我现在在医院，快被截肢了，只有你能来救我了。
只有你能来救我了。只有你能来救我了。只有你能来救我了。救 means to save.
今天是愚人节吗？喂，展博，我现在在医院，快被截肢了，只有你能来救我了。今天是愚人节吗？
今天是愚人节吗？今天 today 是 is 愚人节吗？愚人节 Fool's Day. So ma means a question. You just simply put ma at the end of the sentence. 今天是愚人节吗？
你听我说，事情是……喂，展博，我现在在医院，快被截肢了，只有你能来救我了。今天是愚人节吗？你听我说，事情是这样的。
你听我说，事情是这样的。你听我说，事情是这样的。事情 means matter, things. 是这样的 is 是这样的 like this. So the literal translation is like the things is like this. So it means how it happened. This is how it happened. OK? 你听我说，事情是这样的。这样的 OK?
喂，展博，我现在在医院，快被截肢了，只有你能来救我了。今天是愚人节吗？你听我说，事情是这样的。不会吧？不来我就死定了，我用下半辈子我了。会吧？不来我就死。
不会吧 Let's go. 不会吧 It means seriously? I don't believe it. He doubts about it. Like seriously, 不会吧 No way, I don't believe you. I don't believe it. OK, 不会吧不会吧
不会吧？不来我就死定了。不会吧？不来我就死定了。
你不来我就死定了。你不来我就死定了。It is the same as if 如果你不来我就死定了。So the 如果 here is cut, it's deleted. Make it more like a fluent. 你不来我就死定了。Or you can say if 如果你不来我就死定了。如果你不来我就死定了。The same, OK? 死定了。Doomed. I'm doomed. 就是我就死定了。You are doomed. You are done. It's like you are done. 你死定了。You are done. He is done. 他死定了，我死定了 I'm done. Kind of like this. Okay, it's a very, very helpful and useful term.
我用下半辈子桃花运做担保，我没有骗你。会吧？不然我就死定了。我用下半辈子桃花运做担保。
我用下半辈子桃花运做担保。我用下半辈子桃花运做担保。So 我用 I use 下半辈子 it means the rest of my life. 下半辈子桃花运桃花运 The 桃花运 literally translates to peach blossom luck in Chinese culture. The peach blossom symbolizes love and romance. So 桃花运 refers to someone's good fortune in romantic relationships. It describes a period when someone is particularly attractive to others or encounters multiple romantic opportunities. 桃花运 For example, 他最近桃花运特别好。他最近桃花运特别好。He's been really lucky in love lately. 做担保，做担保。As a guarantee, as a guarantee. So it means I take the rest of my life of love luck as a guarantee. So, yes.
我没有骗你。好吧。会吧？不然我就死定了。我用下半辈子桃花运做担保，我没有骗你。会吧？不然我就死定了。我用下半辈子桃花运做担保，我没有骗。
我没有骗你。It's very simple and it's very, very helpful. I mean, useful. 我没有骗你 I'm not lying. 我没有骗你。没有。我没有骗你，我没有骗你。
骗你？好吧。
好吧。It's very casual. 好吧 All right. 好吧。好吧。
师傅，能不能掉个头？会吧？不然我就死定了。我用下半辈子桃花运做担保，我没有骗你。好吧。师傅，能不能？
师傅，能不能掉个头啊？师傅，能不能掉个头啊？师傅 means the driver is for to show respect to the driver. So we say 师傅 instead of driver, 司机 okay? We say 师傅。能不能掉个头？掉个头 means 掉个头 is not drop your head, okay? It's make a U-turn. It's not drop your head. Can you drop your head? No. Can you make a U-turn? Yes. 掉个头 So the 个 is used between verbs and nouns. In casual and spoken Chinese, 个 is often placed between a verb and its noun or object to soften the tone, making the sentence more polite, friendly, or casual, or natural. This usage is common in requests or when describing everyday actions, giving the sentence a more relaxing conversational feel. How to use 个? 个 in this context, you need to add a casual, softer tone to the action, making it sound less direct or formal. It also helps to make requests sound more polite or less imposing. So you can say 洗个澡 take a shower 洗个澡 and 赏个脸赏个脸 do me the honor and 帮个忙 do me a favor. So this is also super useful.
我没有骗你。好吧。师傅，能不能掉个头啊？
Let's go over the clips again. Let's watch that again.
喂，你听我说，喂。 孙老师，接电话，接电话，接电话！喂，展博，我现在在医院，快被截肢了，只要你能来救我了。
今天是愚人节吗？
你听我说，事情是这样的。
不会吧？
不然我就死定了。我用下半辈子桃花运做担保，我没有骗你。
好吧，师傅能不能掉个头啊？